meditation may help you sleep better. I know what you might be thinking, Dr. P, I thought this was a channel on how to eat better to feel better. And yes, that is true. But especially when it comes to sleep, there are so many things that you can do in order to feel better that the family doctor in me just couldn't resist an opportunity to tell you. So let's go over today a very, very simple meditation technique, I promise. Even if you're thinking, oh gosh, I've tried to meditate before and it's just really never gonna happen. I fall asleep and it doesn't work and my thoughts go elsewhere. That's okay. If you want to start practicing a mindfulness practice, I can show you one that actually works. My 3 and 4-year-old can do this before bed and it helps them fall asleep. What is mindfulness? Basically, it's being intensely aware of what you're doing, feeling, sensing in the moment without any judgment to yourself, without any questioning. You are just connecting your mind to your body in the moment. This can help you quiet down racing thoughts, it can help you relax, and it can help you fall asleep. So the very simple mindfulness technique I'm gonna show you today is called the 5-finger breathing technique. And it is so simple, you need your hand. That's it. You need your 5 fingers. This can be effective. There was a randomized controlled trial published in 2015. I'll put the link in the description, but they put 2 groups of people into different categories before sleep. The mindfulness group had fewer insomnia symptoms and less daytime fatigue. That is definitely worth a shot. If you're ready, watch it through with me once and then pull out your hand and just practice right now. You can use this even if you just want to reset your brain in the middle of the day, maybe if you want to take an afternoon nap, but either way, it's so simple, you could do this anywhere. Here are the basics. You take out your hand, you're gonna do this too because you're connecting your mind to your body, right? And you're gonna start at the edge of your pinky finger and you're gonna trace your hand up and down, each finger, tracing them all the way till you get to your thumb. And here's how you connect your body. You start here, and as you go up your finger, you're gonna take a deep inhale. And then as you go down your finger, you're going to exhale. Again on the other side, you inhale, and then you exhale. For the sake of time, I went a little bit quick. You actually want this to take a while. Take long, slow, deep inhales. Any way that's comfortable, through your nose, through your mouth, whatever you do to get the job done. And then take a long, long out breath. You want to blow all of your breath out in order to feel deeper and deeper relaxed. What this does is keep your mind busy, physically doing something with your hands, and then working on your breath work can help reduce your blood pressure, can help reduce your heart rate, and can really help you relax. Let's practice it together because practice makes perfect. You feel better? Probably just a little bit more relaxed. Try to go even slower. So practice this every night, practice this every day when you just need a little bit of a chill. But if you want to do something that is technically mindfulness meditation that can help you get better sleep and feel less daytime fatigue, then give this 5-finger breathing technique a try and good luck because I know it's really important for us all to sleep. Thank you for joining me today, and I'll see you in a future video.